Hello and good morning dear students. So in today's class we'll start with question number 12. The question is solve the differential equation given that y is equals to 1 when x is equals to 1. Okay, so this is the question given to us. Solve the differential equation when y is equals to 1. So given that y is equals to 1 when x equals to 1 means we need to find the particular solution. We also have to find the value for the constant c. Okay, the equation given to us is this, is equals to 0. From here what we do is we'll find the value for dy by dx, which will be this. Keep this as equation number 1. Now just by looking at the powers you can see that the power in the numerator and denominator is 1 1, so hence it is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so we know the process how to solve an HDE, homogeneous differential equation. So y is equals to vx, so therefore dy by dx will be v plus x dv by dx, u into v rule, because v is a function of x. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll put the value of dy by dx in equation number 1, and we'll also put the value for y is equals to vx in equation number 1. On doing that we will be getting this from equation 1. We'll get this. The same thing out here, you can cancel after taking x common in the numerator denominator, x gets cancelled out, so you'll get minus 1 minus v divided by 1 plus v, and take this v to the right hand side, it becomes minus, and then after taking the LCM, x dv by dx will be minus 1 plus v minus v minus v square, so plus and minus v gets cancelled out, and then we will be doing a separation of variables now. Okay, so till here please pause the video and note it down. Alright students, now what we'll do is we'll do separation of variables, that is 1 plus v divided, so first take minus common, 1 plus v square. Now cross multiplication, separation of variable is done. So now we can take our integration. So therefore here, how to integrate? Please separate 1 by 1. 1 by 1 plus v square dv plus v by 1 plus v square dv is equals to minus log x. Okay, now okay, I'll be doing this side. Alright, so now integration of this 1 means 1 square, so x square plus a square, so 1 by a tan inverse, isn't it? So a is 1, so only tan inverse x by a, no? So this will be tan inverse v. Okay, and if you assume this as another variable, you will be getting 2v. Okay, that is half of log 1 plus v square. I hope you are clear with this, is equals to minus log x plus c. Minus log x plus c. Okay, let us simplify it more. So tan inverse v means y by x plus half log 1 plus v square is equals to minus log x plus constant c. Let us keep it as equation number 2. Now, okay, I want to clear this side. Please pause the video till you have noted down. Okay, so now what we'll do is, now since according to the question I have to find the particular solution, right? So put x equals to 1, y equals to 1 in equation number 2. Oh sorry, this is v square, no? So therefore y is equals to vx, so v is equals to y by x, so y square by x square. Okay, so therefore from equation 2 put x equals to 1, y equals to 1. So x equals to 1, y is equals to 1, so 1 by 1, right? So it will be tan inverse 1, okay, plus half, okay, 1 by 1 means 1 square is 1, x square is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, so log 2, right? So therefore this will be half log 2, okay, is equals to minus log 1 plus constant c. Okay, so what is the value for log 1? 0. Okay, tan inverse 1. Now tan of which angle is 1? 45. So I am showing here all the steps out here, pi by 4. I hope you know this also. So half log 2. Log 1 is 0, so minus 0. We don't have to write, so is equals to c. Now tan inverse tan pi by 4 means pi by 4. Hence the value for c will be pi by 4 plus half log 2. These are all constant. C is a constant, pi by 4 is also constant, log 2 is also constant. So the value for c is this. This value we'll put out here, and that completes your answer. Okay, so please put the value for c is equals to pi by 4 plus half log 2. That will be a final answer. So please pause the video, note it down till here. Alright, so let's move ahead with question number 13. A similar question is given to us. Solve the differential equation when y is equals to 1. Given that y is equals to 1 when x is equals to 1. Now from this differential equation, please find the value for dy by dx. You know how to do. Keep it as equation 1. Let's look at the power. The power is 2. The power is 2. So numerator power is 2. Denominator, there is multiplication sign. So 1 plus 1, the power will be 2. So hence it is an HDE, homogeneous differential equation. Okay. So keep it as equation number 1. You know what to do. That y is equals to vx. Get the value for dy by dx. Put the value for dy by dx equation number 1 on the left hand side. And on the right hand side, put y is equals to vx. V square x square. X square is common. Gets cancelled out. So x square gets cancelled out here. Okay. So this will be minus 1 minus and minus plus v squared by 2v minus v. Take the LCM. So I hope you are clear till here. There shouldn't be any problem. Pause the video, note it down, and then we will now cross multiply and separate the variables. Alright, so now after cross multiplication, so 2v by 1 plus v squared equals to minus dx by x. So separation done. Put the integration sign. If you substitute denominator, you will get numerator. So log 1 plus v squared equals to minus log x plus c. Okay, and y is equals to vx, so v equals to y by x. Now you put x equals to 1, y is equals to 1. So when x equals to 1 and y is equals to 1, what we get from equation 2, we get c, this will be log 2. Log 1 0, so hence c equals to log 2. Please put the value for c in equation 2 to get the final answer. So pause the video, note it down. Alright, let's proceed with number 14 part 1. So solve the differential equation given that y1 is equals to 2. Now we know what we mean by y1 is equals to 2. This means y is equals to 2 when x is equals to 1. So again I have to find the particular solution. The differential equation is this. Please find the value for dy by dx first. As I've done out here, take this side positive and find the value for dy by dx, which will be this divided by x squared. Let's look at the power. The denominator power is 2. This is 2 plus sign, so hence it will be 2. Multiplication, so 1 plus 1 2, hence the powers are equal in the numerator denominator, so hence it is an HD. So that y equals to vx. You know this thing, I don't have to explain you. Put the value out here, right? Put the value for y. You can see x square gets cancelled out. So I have cancelled x square. So this will be 2v plus v squared by 2. Okay, and then minus v. Find the LCM. So 2 into v minus 2v plus 2v gets cancelled out. Very easy. So v square by 2. Cross multiplication. bv by v square. 1 by 2 constant. dx by x. Separation is done. So now we have to put the integration sign. So please pause the video and note it down till here. Alright, so once the separation is done, integration. So this is minus v to the power minus 2 dv is equals to log x. And then simplified, it will be minus 1 by v is equals to half log x plus c. Now put the value for v, y by x, so it will be x by y is equals to half log x plus c. Keep it as equation number 2. Now put the condition, when x equals to 1, y is equals to 2. X equals to 1, y is equals to 2. Put out here. When you put x equals to 1, log 1 will be 0. So hence this side will be c. And here minus half. So hence c equals to minus half. Put the value for c in equation number 2. That completes your answer. So pause the video till here and note it down. Alright. So this will be the last sum for today. Okay. So 14 part 2. So I have simplified and find the value for dy by dx. So you can simplify this part. You will be getting y by x minus cosec y by x. Keep it as equation number 1. And if you see, the power is 1, power is 1, power is 1, power is 1. So hence it is an HDE. Okay. So let y equals to vx straight away. So dy by dx differentiating both sides with respect to x. V plus x dv by dx. I'm sure that I hope you are clear with this. Every time the value for dy by dx will be v plus x dv by dx if it is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, you don't have to worry about that. So please put this value directly in equation number 1 left hand side, which is this. On the right hand side, y is equals to vx, x cancel out, v minus x gone, so log cosec v. Okay, so now we can see here plus v and plus v gets cancelled out on both the sides. So x dv by dx is equals to minus cosec v, right? So therefore, So if I cross multiply, I'll be getting dv by cosec v is equals to minus dx by x. So integrate 1 by cosec means sine. So sine v dv is equals to minus log x. So integration of sine x is minus cos x, isn't it? So minus cos v is equals to minus log x plus constant c. Let's keep it equation number 2. The condition, okay, before that, cos y by x is in minus cos v means y by x minus log x plus c. This will be equation number 2. So what we need to do is you put x equals to 1 and y is equals to 0. So therefore, put x equals to 1, y equals to 0. So when you put x equals to 1, y is equals to 0, so this will be cos 0. So minus cos 0 is equals to log 1 is 0 plus c, and we know that cos 0 is 1, so hence the value for c will be minus 1. Okay, please put the value for c equals to minus 1 in equation number 2. That will complete your answer. Okay, so this much for today, and your homework I'm giving you will be question number 14 part 3. Question number 14 part 3 will be your assignment for today. Question 14 part 3 will be your assignment for today. Please complete this assignment along with the sums. I am sure that I hope you are clear with homogeneous differential equation. So if a question comes in IISc, it comes for 4 to 5 marks from this homogeneous differential equation. Please do the sums which I have done properly out here. Okay, thank you, and submit it by tomorrow.